Hello everyone, today we are gonna talk about the update KB5001649, and this update is quick one from Microsoft to fix the printing issues in your PC. And if you already have the printing issues, whenever you use your printer, maybe the blue screen of death appears. So that's what you need. You need KB5001649. So all you have to do is just to download this one. In case it doesn't download, because some users report that it doesn't download from here, you can simply go to the Windows Update catalog and yeah, the link in the description. You just write here KB5001649 and download the one that suits your operation system. I hope this will help you fix the printing issues, and I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.